This 5-minute solution will show you how to get your Spotify DNA chart. Follow these easy steps. First of all, open a browser and now search for N-Gen Spotify, and then you have to open this DNA link. So tap on DNA. And once you are here, tap on Connect with Spotify. Tap on Agree. And here, you will get your Spotify account or profile. Tap on Agree. And here you will get your Spotify DNA chart. Currently, I don't have any data in my account, so here we can see it's totally blank. And now scroll down. You can select here top artist last month, or you can select top artist last 6 months. I'm selecting here top artist all time, and here you will get all time DNA chart data. Then you can name your DNA. You can show your username in DNA chart from here. You can show your account details, and now you can choose your theme from here. So select a theme from this available theme list, and here you will get your chart preview. Now, to share your DNA chart, tap on Share Card. And now you can take a screenshot of this page, or to save the DNA chart to your gallery, tap on Share Card and tap and hold on your chart and tap on Download Image. And that's how we can easily get Spotify DNA chart. So as I said before, currently I don't have any data in my Spotify account. That's why my chart is totally blank. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.